Today I want to show you a video about bald eagle Matt. This is a close encounter of Matt when I was walking on a trail in the Iowa River landing between Iowa City and Coralville. And he was perched closer to the bridge, so I was able to stand on the bridge and record this video. And I want to use this video to show how a bald eagle spends some time on the trees, perching, looking around, and then in the end he's taken off to go back home. So enjoy the close encounter and thank you for watching.